installing the BLE TPMS system on my Subaru WRX STI 2020. The reason for using these tire pressure sensors is that there's not a way to actually monitor your tire pressure in a STI. I'm not actually sure why, as it is a higher trim, but this does solve the problem and allows you to monitor the temperatures as well as the pressures of your tires on an app for your phone. The actual units look like this. Now we'll be showing you the install of one of those, which I've already installed the other three, and we will check it against the app for pressure and then against a thermometer in my garage for temperature. As you can see, I've aired up the tire to 33.5. Now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the actual sensor and we'll see if it's pretty similar. To install the sensor, you take the brass nut, place it on the actual thread. This is what's going to allow us to actually tighten to the sensor itself. So just thread it on. Go ahead and take your sensor. Quickly put it on here. Snug it on until it's pretty tight. Then we go ahead, move the brass nut until it's sitting against it. Go ahead and take this wrench while holding the sensor. You're going to turn it counterclockwise just to tighten it up to the sensor. All done. Let's take a look to see if it's pretty similar on the actual app. As you can tell from the screenshot that I took, the pressures are pretty similar in terms of, I think it read 33.5 on the tire pressure inflator, and the actual tire pressure sensor read 33.6, so pretty happy with that. Again, this is the brand that was on Amazon. I think it ran about $34. It's a Chinese part, but I think most everything that you buy for your car, such as this is definitely a solution to a problem that shouldn't occur in such a higher trim car, but now I can actually monitor my tire pressure sensors and make sure that it's not getting too low. Well, if this helps out, give it a like. Otherwise, have a good one.